Imagine distributing your music 100% free to all major digital platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and more worldwide. This video gives you 5 hidden gems that will make you stop paying for distribution. Coming in at number 5 is United Masters, a platform that has positioned itself more as a talent agency than a standard distributor. Their biggest selling point is their massive connection to brands like the NBA, ESPN, and Twitch, which can lead to life-changing sync opportunities. However, for the average independent artist, the United Masters debut free tier is quite limited. You are generally restricted to distributing only to social platforms like TikTok and Instagram, rather than a full global rollout. They also take a 10% commission on your earnings, and if you want to reach Spotify or Apple Music while keeping all your royalties, you'll eventually have to pay for their Select tier, which currently sits around $59.99 a year. It's a great choice if you have a commercial sound ready for television, but for pure distribution reach, it's the most limited on this list. At number 4, we have FreshTunes, which is essentially the raw budget pick for the minimalist artist. The primary appeal here is that it is truly free distribution to all major platforms with a 0% commission split, meaning you keep every penny of your royalties without an annual fee. The trade-off, however, is the user experience. The interface feels outdated, and because they don't take a cut of your sales, their customer support is notoriously slow, sometimes taking weeks to resolve a simple metadata error. They make their money by upselling you on value-added services like professional mastering or paid promotion packages. If you are a hobbyist with a $0 budget and a very long lead time for your releases, this works, but the lack of a modern support system makes it a risky bet for high-momentum projects. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Boost Collective, a platform that has successfully bridged the gap between distribution and a promotion agency. What makes them unique is their credit-based ecosystem. Every time you distribute a song through them, you earn credits that can be spent on their internal marketing tools like playlisting, press releases, and cover art creation. This is a game changer for artists who have zero marketing budget but plenty of time to engage with a platform. While they offer a 100% royalty split on their standard tier, the system can be a bit overwhelming for beginners to navigate. It's a growth-first model that rewards active artists, though the quality of the free promotion can sometimes vary depending on your specific genre. Our runner-up at number 2 is the industry veteran, RootNote. They have remained a top-tier choice for years because of their sheer reliability and global reach. Unlike some other free options, RootNote gives you access to everything, including YouTube Content ID, SoundCloud monetization, and distribution to obscure international stores, all for $0 upfront. The catch here is their 15% commission, which is the highest on this list. You also have to deal with a $50 payout threshold, meaning you can't withdraw your funds until you've gained some real traction. The beauty of RootNote, however, is its flexibility. If a specific song starts blowing up, you can pay a one-time fee to switch that single release to their premium tier and keep 100% of the future earnings. It is the most professional and transparent middle ground for serious indie creators. Finally, the number 1 spot for 2026 goes to SoundOn, the undisputed powerhouse for the modern era. Because SoundOn is owned by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, it offers a level of integration that no other distributor can match. When you distribute through them, you get priority access to the TikTok music library, detailed analytics on how creators are using your sounds, and direct pitching to TikTok's internal editorial playlists. In terms of pricing, they offer a massive incentive by letting you keep 100% of your royalties for the first year, only dropping down to a 10% commission after that 12-month mark. In an industry where viral trends drive 90% of music discovery, having a distributor that is directly plugged into the TikTok ecosystem is an advantage you simply cannot ignore. It is the ultimate shortcut for any artist looking to turn a single song into a global movement.